Hello friends, my name is PK from hungrygeeks.com.ph, and tonight with me are two very special devices from Samsung. The first is the Samsung Galaxy Watch7, and the second one is the Samsung Galaxy Buds3. So, how do these things perform? Let's take them out for a spin. First, let's take a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch7. One look at it and you'll see that it's a very well designed watch. It's inconspicuous, yet elegant and posh. As the name implies, the Galaxy Watch7 is Samsung's 7th iteration of the smartwatch, meaning that Samsung really improved a lot of things, including a full integration with other Samsung products. The Samsung Galaxy Watch7 is built to be your personal assistant, giving you feedback on your everyday activities, workouts, and more, as it has its own monitors for BMI and even stress. Now we go to the other neat device on our desk, the Samsung Galaxy Buds3. One thing very noticeable once you take the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 out of its box is that it's very easy to pair. Just take it out, turn it on, and configure it to seamlessly connect to your Samsung phone. While it may look like your everyday earbuds, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 can be controlled via touch and is so light that you'll sometimes forget that you're even wearing it. But the question begs, what if you're an active person that usually exercises? How do these devices perform when you work out? Well, for starters, the Galaxy Buds 3 are rated at IP57, making them virtually protected against sweat. And the Samsung Watch7 is, by itself, incredibly light and easy to run and exercise with. Running, swimming, and other workouts such as boxing can be measured using the Samsung Galaxy Watch7. And since you're in the middle of working out, you can check the current battery levels of your devices using the Samsung Galaxy Watch7. Okay, one thing that I have to mention is the Samsung Find app. As the name implies, this app allows you to ping your phone and other Samsung devices' location, ringing them so you can find where you placed them. Incredibly useful if you're a forgetful person like me. Now, with all those things said, how do these devices, the Samsung Galaxy Watch7 and the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, perform with your Samsung Galaxy phone? Well, for starters, the Wearable App now gives you an overview and control over your Samsung products. It's seamless, easy to navigate, and configure. In terms of customization, the Samsung Galaxy Watch7 has it in spades. You can personalize your watch face, change the app order, and even name it as your own. As everything is all integrated, you can easily perform updates and toggle features for your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 using the Wearable App. With all things said and done, I can definitely say that these are incredibly easy to use products, thanks to them being integrated under one ecosystem by Samsung.